To create a Dropbox account, you're first going to want to go to Dropbox.com, and then here you'll have the options to create an account. So you're going to enter your first name, and then you're going to enter your email address and create a password. And then you're going to agree to the Dropbox and sign up for free. The main things that we want to look at are upload. So to upload a new file, we're going to select upload. We will just choose a sample photo here that we're using and upload that. While uploading, you can see that you could add more files if you wanted, and you can just come back here. It'll pick you up where you left off, and let's upload tulips as well. And you can see that one's been uploaded, the other one's working on it. You can go ahead and hit hide while you're sitting and waiting, and it'll notify you when that upload's complete. You'll see down here it's still trying to finish that upload, but we do have the penguins in place. Let's say that you wanted to create a folder so that you have all your pictures in a folder. You would come over to a new folder, click it, and let's do photos. Now we've got a new photos added. You can very easily drag and drop the photos or whatever documents you want into that, or you can also click in here and do the same upload, and this will give you the ability to upload more files into that folder. You can select as many as you want at one time. So to share, there's two ways you could go about it. If you want to share a specific file with the user, you can highlight over and select the share button. And you can copy and paste this link into your own email, or you can go ahead and just send the link directly to them. So if we wanted to send that to that, you would go ahead and just enter their email address, and you would go ahead and type a message. And we can go ahead and hit send. That user will go ahead and get an email saying that they have a file to be shared, and they can go ahead and open that up. You do want to make sure that you're using an email address that has a Dropbox account associated with it, or one that the user can easily set up an email account associated with it. So that's one way that you can share sending just a simple file. If you want to share an entire folder, you can walk through the same process, highlight over this one, and share it. You can either invite people to collaborate, or you can send a link so that people can view the documents inside. If people are able to collaborate, then they can upload files to it as well, and that way you guys can work together on that project. When you click on a folder or a file, it'll give you additional options. Here you can download the folder that was emailed to you. You could delete the folder if you no longer need it. If you're syncing though, be careful. That does affect the other user users that are sharing that same folder. You could rename it if you'd like. You can move it. If you didn't want to use the drag and drop option, you can just move it quicker this way. Or you can copy it or create an album. Typically you'll be using the download button, delete, or rename.